Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World 18. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari and you are watching my YouTube channel Pamita AI World. So, in this particular video, in my previous video, I taught you the echelon form of method, and with the help of echelon form of method how we calculate rank. In this particular video, I'll teach you the second method. Fine. Second method, how to calculate rank of the methods. It was like this: rank of methods, rank methods, rank methods. Fine. And I gave you the glimpse of how we calculate with the help of three methods rank. So first is minor method, minor method. Second is echelon form of methods. And third is normal form of methods. Minor method, echelon form of method, normal form of methods. Fine. So this I taught you in my previous video, already completed. Fine. Here I'll teach you the minor method, how to calculate rank of the matrix. In this particular video, with the help of minor method, I'll teach you minor method. I'll teach you how to calculate rank. As we see in my previous video of Pamita AI World, this form of method is quite lengthy and time consuming to calculate the rank of the matrix. And so scientists invented this minor method and normal form of method so that you can calculate it easily. So what is the steps first we follow to calculate the rank of the matrix? First step we follow that first we calculate determinant. Calculate determinant of the matrix. Calculate determinant of matrix. Now you would not say me that what is determinant, because in my previous video, on particular video, I have totally dedicated to calculate the determinant of a particular, how to calculate the determinant of matrix. Please watch that particular video, and this video is in the iCard also if you want to see that particular video also. Now come to the, after watching this video, just see that video, that you would not get confused what I am teaching you here. And in the second step, if look, first we calculate determinant. Now three condition would apply here. If determinant of A is not 0, if determinant of A did not come like 0, it would not come 0. So it means the rank of A is equal to order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. Now you would ask, what is order of a matrix? You no need to worry about that. We will see that particular thing in our next upcoming video, what is order of a matrix. In this particular video, I am giving you the theoretical part of my minor methods, how we calculate rank of the matrix. Now if determinant of A is not 0, we can say directly by seeing that particular matrix determinant that the rank of this particular matrix is equal to order of a matrix. No need to worry about the order of a matrix. We will see that in our upcoming videos. Now with the help, if determinant of A comes 0, fine. In case of square or rectangular matrix, fine, if determinant A came 0. So look for non-zero. Fine, look for non-zero minor of the largest possible order. If such exists, rank of A would be order of that minor. Fine. Rank of A would be order of that minor. You would not just remember these particular steps I am teaching you, because when we will calculate the rank of the matrix with the help of minor method in my upcoming video, because this is theoretical part of the video, this is the condition we would apply. By watching this condition only, we will calculate the rank of the matrix. If you remember these steps in your head, you would not be worried about the rank of the matrix. It would be in quick interval of time you will calculate the rank of matrix. You don't have to go through the big row exchange methods. What we saw in echelon form of methods in previous video. So this is what happens. This determinants type of process, we will reduce and repeat this process until third step is, this is first step, this is second step, this is third step, until reduce and repeat did not came. Reduce and repeat, what it would be? If all minors are 0, reduce order by 1 and repeat process. And rank of A would be order of that. Rank of A would be order of that minor. This is all for theoretical part in this particular video. Just remember this like you remember your life history, previous life history. Remember these 3 steps religiously. Fine. First one is this, because when I'll teach you the mathematical expression in my upcoming video, I will directly focus on this theoretical part. So this is for all for today's video on minor methods and its theoretical expression. Just if you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Pamita AI World. And this is all for today's video. Thanks a lot for trusting Pamita AI World. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now in my upcoming video, I'll teach you how to calculate rank of the matrix with the help of minor methods.